Okay, we continue selection tab. Here we can select all block instance. I have to explain all blocks in edit menu, and here it's very interesting tool. You have to copy the object. You can copy the object with a block instance, and if you change in any object that are instance with each other, when you change or edit any of them, all of them will be edit at the same, change at the same. It's a very interesting tool. You can select all block. You can select all light, for example, in a scene. You can select use hatches. For example, we use these hatches here. You can select them. You can select them all dimensions. For example, these simple dimensions. You can create all kind of interesting dimensions in this menu. I will explain you, but you can select it all of them or individually. There are all selection, radial, text block, any dimension that you create here in a scene, you can select it. Or you can select your annotation style. That I have to explain you annotation style, but if you create, you can select it here. And you can select dots. It means that annotation. Here you can select by group name. You can group your object. For example, select those objects, going to the edit menu, and in groups, it's very useful. The shortcut is Ctrl G, and you can group them, and you can select your group name. If you click, the window will be pop up, and as you can see, when you click, we have a two group here, and you can select them by group. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So, we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.